I don't think people understand just how luxurious RVs can be. Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. What's up, everybody? Today, we're diving into a world of luxury most people can only dream of. Forget cramped quarters and instant coffee, we're talking about million-dollar mansions on wheels. These RVs redefine luxury travel, packed with more high-tech gadgets and opulent features than a five-star hotel. Imagine cruising down the highway, your home theater system booming, a fully stocked bar at your fingertips, and a king-size bed waiting for you. So buckle up, smash that like button, and hit subscribe because we're about to break down the most insane, luxurious, jaw-dropping RVs on the planet. Let's go. Country Coach Magna 630, a smart home on wheels. First up, we're rolling in with the Country Coach Magna 630, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. We're not just talking about the 600 horsepower engine that could tow a small island, but the sheer brainpower packed into this behemoth. This is a smart home on wheels, people. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, the sun's setting, casting an orange glow across the landscape. You reach up and with a tap on your customizable touchpad, the blinds lower, the LED lights shift to a warm hue, and your favorite playlist starts streaming through the surround sound system. That's the Magna 630 experience. But wait, there's more. This bad boy comes equipped with a unique balcony feature. Picture this. You pull over at the Grand Canyon, hit a button, and boom! Your own personal platform extends out, giving you an unobstructed view of one of nature's greatest wonders. And for all you eco-conscious entrepreneurs out there, the Magna 630 has you covered with its solar panels. You can travel in style without leaving a massive carbon footprint. The interior is decked out with premium materials, from the plush leather seating to the sleek granite countertops. The Magna 630 is proof that you don't have to sacrifice comfort or convenience when you hit the open road. Monaco Dynasty 45P, where comfort meets modern design. Next up, we're stepping into the world of the Monaco Dynasty 45P, and let me tell you, this thing is dripping with elegance. Forget your grandma's RV. This is a rolling testament to modern design and pure luxury. We're talking porcelain floors, LED lighting, and king-sized beds fitted with silk linens. Can you imagine sinking into that after a long day on the road? And don't let the luxurious interior fool you. This thing packs a punch. With a 600 horsepower engine, the Dynasty 45P can handle any adventure you throw its way. But what really sets this RV apart is its attention to detail. From the hand-stitched leather upholstery to the custom-designed cabinetry, every inch of this vehicle screams sophistication. The Dynasty 45P is perfect for those who demand the best and refuse to compromise. Newmar King Air, the Palatial Paradise. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the royal realm of luxury RVs with the Newmar King Air. This isn't just an RV, it's a palace on wheels, a testament to craftsmanship and opulence. Built on a custom-made Spartan K3 chassis and powered by a monstrous turbo engine, the King Air is as powerful as it is luxurious. But it's what's inside that truly sets it apart. Imagine this. You step inside and are greeted by a fully equipped kitchen that would make a Michelin star chef jealous. Stainless steel appliances gleam, custom cabinetry hides away all your culinary essentials, and a massive island provides ample space for prepping gourmet meals on the go. Next, you enter the bathroom, and it's like stepping into a spa retreat. Heated floors, a rainfall shower, and a soaking tub invite you to unwind in pure bliss. The Newmar King Air is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Country Coach Prevost, space and style for the seamless journey. Get ready to experience the ultimate in spacious luxury with the Country Coach Prevost, a masterpiece of engineering and design. This RV isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every single mile in between. The Prevost is all about maximizing space without sacrificing an ounce of style. The interior is a testament to open-plan living, with expansive living areas, a full-size dining room, and a kitchen that would make a professional chef envious. But it's not just about the size, it's about the details. The Prevost boasts high-end furnishings, custom cabinetry, and premium appliances that elevate it from a simple RV to a luxurious home on wheels. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, the sun streaming through the panoramic windows, illuminating the spacious living area. You're comfortably settled in the plush seating, a good book in hand, as the world glides by. The Country Coach Prevost is perfect for those who value both space and style. Element Palazzo, the pinnacle of mobile luxury. Prepare to have your minds blown because we've arrived at the final boss of luxury RVs, the Element Palazzo. This isn't just an RV, it's a rolling testament to extravagance, a masterpiece of engineering and design that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Let's talk price tag first. This behemoth will set you back a cool $3 million. But for that hefty sum, you get the most luxurious, the most technologically advanced, the most jaw-dropping RV on the planet. The Palazzo is a sight to behold. Its futuristic design, with its sleek lines and massive size, turns heads wherever it goes. But it's what's inside that truly sets it apart. We're talking marble exterior walls, a sky lounge with radiant floor heating, and a master bedroom fitted with a bed made by the same supplier as the British royal family. The Palazzo boasts a spa-like bathroom with a rainfall shower and a soaking tub, a state-of-the-art bar, and exquisite interior details. The Element Palazzo is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of luxury RVs, where mansions hit the open road and extravagance knows no bounds. These aren't just vehicles, they're mobile palaces, testaments to human ingenuity and the desire for ultimate comfort. Which one would you choose for your ultimate road trip? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more explorations into the world of luxury and innovation. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep dreaming big and hitting the road in style.